How to animate an Illustrator file in After Effects. When starting animation, you are going to have a lot of these static shots that you want to bring alive. I will show you a couple of ways to do this. You start in Illustrator. I made all these layers separate and named them. This is very important for your animation later. Drag your Illustrator file in After Effects. Choose composition so you can animate the different layers. Now if you open up the composition, you can see all the different layers you made. And because we named them, we can see which ones we want to animate. The first step is to correct the center point of the layer with the Pan Behind tool. Now first I'll show you the easiest way to animate them. For this leaf, I put the center point at the bottom because this is where I want the rotation to be. Now it's just a matter of placing keyframes with the rotation. You don't want to overdo the rotation, it's just a slight breeze. When you have placed your keyframes, right click on them, click Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease. This will make the movement smooth. The second way is a bit more complicated, but it will look much better. So for this leaf, right click, Create and Create Shapes from Vector Layer. Now you've made it a shape layer. In the effect, search for CC Bend It and drag it to your layer. Now you get an endpoint and a start point and place them accordingly over your shape layer. Now you can see here that the layer will bend when I change the settings. So now you can set the keyframes again, same as the other leaf, only now you don't have to use the rotation. You could use expressions to loop this movement, but I like to do it by hand, so it will be a bit more random and in my opinion, more natural. Do the same for all the layers that you want to animate and now you have a more dynamic shot of the forest.